Welcome aboard this Hatteras 48 LRC long-range cruiser. We're training the new owners in Florida. We just completed an anchoring drill exercise with 100% chain. Hey! And we used a snubber. Now we're in the St. Lucie River North, and we're going to practice a little bit of maneuvering in rehearsal for when we come back to the dock at Sunset Bay Marina. As I pan the camera around, you can see this huge aft deck, party center, dock boxes, fighting chairs, big dinghy, 15 horsepower outboard motor. Here we've got the mast for the boat, and up on top of the mast you can see we've got a Furuno radar up there, and then at the top we've got the anchor light and the weather station. So if you're going to be cruising, I want you to know that this boat is also acceptable for looping, because you can look down here at the bottom where this mast has got a hinge. So you can undo those two giant wing nuts right there and hinge it right there, and this mast will lay down so you can clear the 20-foot bridges in the Erie Canal and the 19-foot bridge in downtown Chicago. So if you've got any questions about boating, cruising, looping, docking, or anchoring, check out our DVD training videos, or you can ask Captain Chris.